Hello everyone. My name is NILESH. This is our post-market analysis for 8 June Bank Nifty. I am using the 3 standard deviation Bollinger Band strategy. There were 3 good trading opportunities today. I'll mark the entries as the blue line, I'll mark the blue vertical lines, and I'll mark the exit as black vertical lines. Now I'll zoom the chart. The first entry was at 10:08. It was a mean reversion strategy where it touched the third standard deviation, and Willy, GI, and RSI 5 and 9 gave indications that there is a long trading opportunity. So I took a trade. Here the entry was at 10:08 and the exit was at 10:17. Here there was a doji and I took a exit. This gave me roughly about 180 points. Then the next long trade was at 10:31. Here it reverted from the mean. The entry was at 10:31 and the exit was at 10:47. This was roughly about 450 points move. It was more than 450. It was a 470 point move. I was able to capture 450 points. Then there was a third entry. It was a short trade marked by the blue lines. The entry is marked by the blue lines and the exit is marked by the black line. So there was a signal from RSI 95. There was a signal from GI. There was a signal from Willy to take a short trade. I took a trade here at 13:14 and the exit was at 13:36. This move was roughly about 300 points. So the total points today were 180 plus 450 plus 300. It was in total it was 930 points move today. Thank you everyone.
Hello friends, myself Rakesh. I'm using Renko 2.1 chart, and today we're going to discuss about entry exit as per this chart. My first entry was on short side at 9:59, and Bank Nifty was trading at 35,075 at that time. I exited the trade at 10:07. Bank Nifty was trading at 35,000. I captured 75 points in this trade. I initiated this trade because KDJ is aligned with the Renko reversal, and also I got good signals from MACD. I exited because we can see this KDJ line, J line is moving up sharply, and at the same time this NMACD histogram is turning green. So that is a clear indication for me for exit of this trade. I took a second trade on next candle itself. That was on long entry. I initiated the trade at 10:08. Bank Nifty was trading at 35,025, and I exited at 10:48, and the price was 35,475. It was a long trade, and I got almost 450 points from this. When I initiated this trade, because NMACD has given me a clear indications of bullish side, and the Renko has been already reversed previous candle itself, and the KTJ line is moving up sharply. So these are these points that forced me to take this trade. I've never exited on this red candle because based upon my past experience during a long trade, generally during a big trade, we see a single candle which is reversal, and actually the trend is not reversing, only we can see just one candle. So I used to wait for another candle to confirm the exit, and I didn't get any weakness or any confirmations of exit from any of the indicator except this NMCD histogram. If I get another confirmation, I could have exited on the same candle. But in general, I used to wait for one more candle to exit, and here I didn't get the exit on this, so I continued till this point. Okay, on this candle itself, 10:48, sorry, 10:48, I got entry on short side because Renko got reverse, KDJ was in favor, and I can see the NMACD was turning red over here. So that was a clear indication for me to go on short side. I exited on this candle itself, something 11:29, and I captured 75 points in this trade. When I exited on this point because my NMACD histogram is turning green and my KTJ line is moving up. That is the J line is sharply moving up. So that's the reasons I exited on this candle itself. My next trade was on 12:38, and here the brick was red and the KTJ was also in support of that. NMACD was already in support of bearish side, so I enter on this candle. Super trend is also turned red, so everything is in favor of bearishness. So I entered on this trade and I exited on this point, the first reversal of the first reversal brick, and I captured around 325 points on this trade. So far three trades and almost 950 points has been captured till now. Since 13:38 till the end, I get a mess up over here. This is a no trade zone as per my setup. In this area, most of the time the moving averages are crossing each other. So this is a no trade zone for this setup. So I didn't take any trade in this particular area. Thank you.